Your bathtub looks yellow, and it's quite a common sight. Not dirty exactly. It just looks very old. Like no matter how hard you scrub the surface, that dull, sickly tint refuses to leave. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. Scrubbing harder simply isn't the answer. In fact, it might be making things worse. The real fix takes almost no effort at all, and it works on acrylic, porcelain, fiberglass, and ceramic without scratching a single inch of the surface. Let's talk about what's actually happening to your tub. That yellow stain isn't just surface grime. It's a mix of things working together against you. Hard water leaves behind mineral deposits every single time you bathe or shower. Soap scum builds a thin film that traps dirt and oil. Rust particles from old pipes settle into the surface. And over months, sometimes years, all of that bakes into a stubborn layer that regular soap and water simply can't touch. This is why scrubbing feels pointless. You're not cleaning the stain, you're just pushing it around. Most people reach for bleach first. It seems like the obvious choice, right? Powerful, strong smelling, made for exactly this kind of job. But bleach only works on the surface level. It can lighten some staining temporarily, but it doesn't break down mineral deposits or soap scum buildup. Worse, on acrylic tubs, harsh bleach can actually cause micro scratches over time, which makes the surface rougher and more likely to trap dirt again. So you end up back where you started, except now your tub is more vulnerable than before. So when harsh chemicals fail, what actually works to clean your tub? The answer has been sitting in your kitchen cabinet this whole time: baking soda and white vinegar. Together, they create a natural reaction that breaks down mineral buildup and soap scum without harsh chemicals and without scratching your tub's finish. Here's why this combination is so effective. Vinegar is mildly acidic, which means it dissolves hard water deposits and rust stains at a chemical level. Baking soda, on the other hand, is gently abrasive, but soft enough that it won't damage acrylic or porcelain. When you combine them, they create a bubbling reaction that lifts dirt out of tiny surface pores, the same pores where yellow staining tends to hide. Here's exactly how to use it. Start by sprinkling a generous layer of baking soda across the entire stained area. Don't be shy with it. You want full coverage, especially over the worst yellow patches near the drain and along the tub's edges. Next, spray or pour white vinegar directly over the baking soda. You'll see it start to fizz almost immediately. That fizzing reaction is exactly what you want. It means the mixture is actively working to break down the buildup trapped in the surface. Now comes the easy part. Let it sit. This is where the no scrub magic happens. Give it at least 15 to 20 minutes. For tubs with heavy, years-old staining, you can let it sit for up to an hour. During this time, the mixture continues to work on its own, loosening grime you couldn't reach with a scrub brush. While you wait, you can clean something else, make a coffee, or simply relax. The mixture does the heavy lifting for you. Once the time is up, take a soft cloth or a non-abrasive sponge and gently wipe the area. Notice the word gently. You're not scrubbing here. You're simply wiping away buildup that has already been loosened by the reaction. If you still see some staining after the first wipe, don't panic. This just means the stain was extra stubborn and it needs a second short application. For those really tough, years-old yellow stains, there's a simple upgrade to this method. Add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to the mix. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleaching agent that's still safe for acrylic and porcelain surfaces when used correctly. Mix it with your baking soda first to form a thick paste, then apply it directly to the worst spots. Let this paste sit for about 30 minutes before wiping clean. This extra step targets deep discoloration that basic vinegar and baking soda alone might not fully lift on the first try. Now let's talk about rust stains specifically, because they behave a little differently than general yellowing. Rust marks often show up around the drain or near old fixtures, and they have a distinct orange-brown tint rather than a plain yellow one. For these spots, cut a lemon in half and sprinkle salt directly onto the cut surface. Then use the lemon like a scrubbing tool, rubbing it directly onto the rust stain. The citric acid in lemon juice breaks down rust deposits, while the salt adds just enough texture to lift the stain without scratching. Leave the lemon juice sitting on the stain for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. You might be wondering why this natural method works so much better than store-bought bathroom cleaners. Here's the simple truth. Most commercial cleaners are designed to mask stains rather than actually remove the source of the buildup. They use strong fragrances and surface-level chemicals that make your tub smell clean without addressing the mineral deposits sitting underneath. Baking soda and vinegar go deeper. They physically break down the buildup at a chemical level, which is why the results last so much longer. There's another reason this method deserves a permanent spot in your cleaning routine. Cost. A box of baking soda and a bottle of white vinegar cost just a few dollars, and both last for dozens of cleaning sessions. Compare that to specialty bathroom cleaners that can cost $10, $15, sometimes $20 per bottle, and you start to see just how much money this simple swap can save over a year of regular cleaning. Now, let's cover something just as important as removing the stain: keeping it gone. The biggest mistake people make is treating this as a one-time fix. Yellow stains return because the conditions that caused them in the first place never actually change. Hard water keeps flowing through your tap. Soap residue keeps building with every shower. So the real secret to a permanently clean tub isn't one deep clean. It's a light, consistent routine that stops buildup before it starts. Here's a simple habit that makes a massive difference. After every bath or shower, take 30 seconds to rinse the tub with warm water. This alone washes away fresh soap residue before it has a chance to dry and bond to the surface. If you want to go a step further, keep a spray bottle filled with a diluted vinegar and water mixture right next to your tub. A quick spray once or twice a week keeps mineral deposits from building into visible stains. Another simple trick is to dry your tub after use. Moisture sitting on the surface for hours is exactly what allows hard water minerals to settle and harden. A quick wipe with a towel after your last shower of the day removes standing water and prevents new staining from forming in the first place. If you live in an area with particularly hard water, consider using a squeegee. It sounds almost too simple to matter, but running a squeegee across your tub and shower walls after each use removes the majority of moisture and mineral content before it dries. This one habit alone can cut down on staining by a significant margin over just a few weeks. Let's also address something people often overlook. The type of tub you have changes how you should approach long-term care. Acrylic tubs are more prone to scratching, so always stick with soft cloths and non-abrasive tools, even during regular maintenance. Porcelain tubs are tougher and can handle slightly more pressure, but harsh chemical cleaners can still wear down the glossy finish over time, making future stains stick even faster. Fiberglass tubs fall somewhere in between, sturdy but still vulnerable to scratching if you use anything rough. Knowing your tub's material helps you choose the gentlest, most effective method every single time. Here's something that might surprise you. The water in your home plays a bigger role in staining than most people realize. If you're on well water or live in a region known for hard water, you're going to see mineral buildup faster, no matter how often you clean. In these cases, installing a simple water softener or a filter on your main line can dramatically slow down future staining. It won't eliminate the need for cleaning entirely, but it can stretch the time between deep cleans from weeks to months. Let's bring this all together. Yellow bathtub stains aren't stubborn because they're impossible to remove. They're stubborn because most cleaning methods only work on the surface, while the real problem sits just beneath it. Baking soda and vinegar break through that surface, dissolving mineral deposits, lifting soap scum, and clearing rust stains without a single hour of hard scrubbing. Add hydrogen peroxide for deeper discoloration, use lemon and salt for rust-specific spots, and follow up with small, consistent habits like rinsing, drying, and light weekly maintenance. The next time you look at your tub and feel that familiar frustration, remember this: you don't need harsh chemicals. You don't need to scrub until your arms ache. You just need the right combination, a little patience, and a routine that keeps buildup from ever taking hold again. Because a bathtub that looks brand new isn't about one big effort. It's about small, smart choices, repeated consistently until staining simply becomes a thing of the past. And once you see how easy this really is, you'll start wondering what other so-called impossible cleaning problems in your home have been solved by simple ingredients hiding in your kitchen all along. It's time to make your home cleaner and safer. Let's get started.